How's it going? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to start a YouTube channel. My insights on starting a YouTube channel are going to be a little probably more straight to the point than typical videos you watch. I'm going to give you a little bit of insight how to grow a channel as well. But to get started, obviously I'm not going to walk through this totally, but you want to create. Let's go right back to the channel. You want to create a YouTube channel. Is through Gmail, so you want to create a YouTube channel, create an account, etc., etc. It's going to walk you through the steps. It's going to be very simple. Create an email, name, login. So we're going to come back out of this private browser and we're going to see what YouTube looks like when you're already logged in. You're going to have no picture. You're gonna have, you're not gonna have most of this. I have quite a bit of YouTube channels. Everybody? Welcome back. This is more business related, but you're gonna have, no banner. It's gonna be default, no profile picture. So here you can edit profile picture. And once again, I clicked on my icon, came to your channel. You can edit this profile picture. You can customize your channel. So you can come in here and go to branding. You can change your profile picture, upload a banner. You can use Canva and take these sizes. Canva has a free version as well. I'll leave the link to it below. And you can take these sizes and create a banner for the perfect size. Let me know if you want me to show you exactly how to do that. You can come over to basic information. You can say what the channel's about. Create your brand name, add some third-party links that are showing your banner. They'll show right here. And you can just go through this information as well. You can come down to settings and you can get more detailed. And right here is a key point. You want to I need to actually come back in here and change these out. You want to put in here what your channel is about or some related terms. Here's a quick tip that I'll also leave this below. It's right here. So we can do this from the main screen. Click keyword inspector. You're going to see this tool right here. I'll leave the link to this below as well. You're going to be able to search. You're going to be able to find exactly what are the best keywords. So for example, let's say you do say you're a fashion designer and you want to know what channel keywords or video keyword. You can use this for video uploads as well. What keywords or related keywords are my competitors using, or what keywords are related to what I'm looking for, and how high competition they are. High competition means there's a lot of people making videos on this and there's a lot of people with a lot of views that are going for the same keyword. So you can get more long keyword. Long keyword just means exactly the name. It's a longer keyword. So this is a short keyword, fashion designer. This is a more specific longer keyword, how to be a fashion designer. You see it's medium, and you can also see how many searches you get. So you want to really pay attention to this and grab this tool if you want to have a successful YouTube channel. You see we're getting black fashion design. This is low competition, meaning this will be a great video or to make, or a great keyword to use if if you're a black fashion designer. We're getting more specific. How to become a fashion designer, low. So that's a great video to make. Very low, extremely awesome video to make. Teen, well, they spelled it wrong, but beware, a lot of people type in things however they want, so don't sleep on misspelled keywords. Teen mom fashion designer, I think they meant MOM. Fashion designers in India. If you're someone in India or knows anything about that type of info, you can make videos or use these keywords in your channel tags. You're gonna have some upload defaults, and all upload defaults are is every time you post a video, you can come in here and have a default, title, description, visibility, tags, that every time you post a video, it's already there. You can go in there and you can either edit it or leave it how it is. And you can go through these. These are more not so much needed, but you know, some things you can go through as well. Have some advanced settings as well. And that's a nice gist. So another big thing when creating a YouTube channel would be, what are you going to create your channel on? But that is a very good tool to really know, you know, what are you good at? What is it that you like, and how to specifically get to what you like. A lot of people want to make videos, but they don't know what to make the video on. They may know some information, but that's how you get really dialed into your niche and how to create a YouTube channel and a video around exactly what you want to know. An AdSense account is another thing that you're going to need, you know, after you get monetized, you know, down the road. So keep that in mind. Make sure you bookmark this, or you can go in here and create an account with the same email that you used to create your YouTube channel, just to keep things together. You want to check out the requirements. You want to check out the requirements to get monetized on YouTube, which is what you all are looking for down the road. Come to YouTube Studio. Scroll down to monetization. And you're going to see where I'm at in this one channel. I have 1,000 subscribers, but I need 4,000 required watch hours. And here are your other things, your two-step verification. And if you have any community strikes, it'll show that here as well. You want to have, you know, pretty much no community strikes to get accepted in the partner program. And it says we'll send you an email when you have these requirements. So that's the big gist, and some little key tips on starting a YouTube channel. Let me know if you want anything more specific. I don't want to make this video too long, so you can get out and start your YouTube channel and, you know, come back to this video and be able to really navigate through YouTube. But let me know if there's anything you want to know specifically about starting your YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment below anything you took away from this video. Have a great day.